longboard video. So, you want to learn how to longboard? The 3 longboard dancing steps we're going to be learning are the 180 step, the Peter Pan, and the cross leg. Very basic and easy to learn. So, for the 180 step, it basically consists of taking a step to do a 180, like so. And you go step to the side, and you're going to do a toe side carve. That means carving to the toe side. And then you're going to move that foot around the front, back, yeah, it's front, wait, yeah, it's front. And then you're going to move this much through. So then you're facing the other way. Ta-da. So for the Peter Pan, I'm going to do this because I can't hold my balance that well without moving. So I'm going to go. So the Peter Pan, you're riding, and you're basically going to do 2 180 steps. And one on each side, and you'll end up facing the same way because you're doing 2 180 steps, which equals 360. So you're going to start the same as a 180 step. You're going to go like that, and then you're going to bring this one, and instead of going here, you're going to go around and place it on the other side of the board. And then you're going to now be doing a carve this way. So you start carving that way and then do a carve this way, and then go back around, and then put it back this way, and you're riding again. If you started practicing with the Peter Pan, you probably notice if you want to do like more than one Peter Pan at a time, like you're gonna end up like you're gonna do a Peter Pan, and you're gonna start inching over to the front of the board where you can't keep going. You're gonna end up hitting the trucks, and you can't just like. What I recommend doing is if you want to go like doing infinite Peter Pans all around town, you're gonna go you're gonna put your foot at the back of the board as far as you can, and then you're gonna put your foot like basically touching the other foot. So you're gonna start the Peter Pan, do another Peter Pan, and once you're like around in the middle, you're gonna start hopping backwards when you do the Peter Pan, so that you don't do that inching forward, and you can just like so for the cross step's going to be a cross step. It's pretty self-explanatory. So you're going to be riding, and you're going to put one foot to the back. Yeah, there's different variations of the cross step, but the most basic one is a heel side carve cross step. So you're going to go back here. You're going to put the weight on this side, so you're going to do a heel side carve. Then this one's going to go around here, and this one's going to go back there. So quick, that's just by